test. Yay! So now we got better mic quality. So, topic of the day. Bought this shoe for 10 ringgit, which is basically how much dollar I need to calculate it. Let Najib editing do the work. Okay, yeah, this is how much dollar it costs. And 10 ringgit in Malaysian ringgit. Okay, so today we are going to customize this. I have said this for like 3 times now, and I've never customized shoes, so it's gonna be fun. I have never tried it before, but I really want to try it before. That's very redundant, I know. So yeah, I don't know what paint am I supposed to be doing, what paint am I supposed to be using, but I found this fabric paint and the material of the shoe is fabric. So yeah, enjoy the process first. So yeah, let's go. I don't know if they look good or not. but I do like it. I don't know about you. If you like it, give it a like. Yeah, this was definitely heavily, oh my god, this was definitely inspired by Maleficent. If you haven't noticed yet, got a little Melfi right at the back here. Come on, focus. Yes. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. If you really like how it turned out, press that like button and tap the subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing a lot of more. I'll be doing more of this kind of art videos where I try a lot of different art mediums in the next time. So if you want more customization shoes videos, you definitely just comment down below and tell me that. And yeah, thank you for watching. This has been Najib Basirun, and hope you guys have a great day. See you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.